Why doesn't he grab it right there, slip up underneath it right there on this end, and lift it, and then work it this way. And then let this one here rest on it as he makes another adjustment.
Before it broke loose, when I tried picking up on it, I saw it move like against the passenger side door, like it released the plane this way. That I was unbelievable. Leave that there. Is this too heavy? I guess it can't.
One thing I can think of is to take this side off.
Do you have a strap?
Yeah, but we can take this side off, and I can cut this leg and it might roll over.
You want me to?
Yeah, why don't you come in here and grab it? Right here on this
I
side.
can just cut it right here on this. And if you just... Is it? Let me cut this off first then.
Is it loose?
Nah, it's got enough wood on it. Oh, it might be.
I think it's.
I mean, honestly, I could probably just cut it from right here and leave it.
Right through the rock?
It ain't gonna go nowhere.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to. Just stand on this side of it. It ain't gonna come this way.
No.
Here, let me.
It's turning,
It's like.
rolling, yeah.
Yeah, it's loose.
You want to try to pick it up and toss it over?
It's awfully heavy. Full of those bull ants too.
Throw some wood on it.
Alright. Here, stand in the back corner. Is it coming loose? Is it still?
Hold on, he's still there.
Hold on a second.
Oh, it's loose. You want me to just try to grab that?
You should be able to
I'll
do
right
it.
there. Hold me down.
Let's come over back in here and get it this way.
Yeah, you grab it from right there. Can you back up and get into the corner?
We got that. Throws it all the way. Throws it all the way.
Huh?
Throws it all the way.
Yeah.
And I would kind of bring it down so it pushed over the side. Push down and see
Bring
what
it
that-
down.
Bring it down, see what it does. pull it out a little bit now. You can get closer to grab more of the wood.
There you go, you got it.
Hold on, got it.
I knew you were going to do that. Sit down on the job.
I don't know if you have a strap. Do you want to put a strap around that and see if we can just
I might cut that leg off overall.
let it go?
It's got, I mean, it's barely got any wood on it, so.
I just if it falls that way, it's probably gonna pop them windows. You know, like. I guess it's
Well, that thing's
not,
got-
I don't know. I guess it's all the weight sitting right there then.
Yeah, as I'm saying, if I cut that, it might free it up or it might stay on. If it stays on, then we just put a strap to pull it out.
I don't know if you want to cut that one ball one that I just took off, or you try to float it.
Why don't you grab it? You can.
I don't want to grab it and pull it off.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
You can get a bigger saw.
Your tree's taking up my parking spot.
I see that. It's a good thing too, because that one here is about ready to
I
come
know.
down.
That's what Britt said. I was like, oh, yeah.
Is this the pause button?
Maybe. No, I think you just hit the record and then can't you just hit pause like the stop button?
I can, but it stops.
Oh,